Hi, welcome back to Diesel Dave's YouTube channel. This is my latest update on my layout. Hope you like and share to others. Like I say, I've been busy this week and so has my wife, to show you what the update we've done in the progress to layout. So if we start from the beginning again, I know we start from the beginning quite a lot, but that's the only way I find it easy to do the tour. There's a scrapyard here, as you see as we go down into the scrapyard. We've got the lights on at the moment on the fire pit. As we're coming a bit closer you might see that. This is the fencing we're going to put on the side. I need to put this fencing all the way around, but it gives you some idea what we're actually going to do. Yesterday I put a new bank over the top here, as we're going up there now, just past the class 416. As you see, we put this raised bank over the back. I've just put a fencing over there. I need to finish the rest of that off, which give you some idea. I'm hoping to put sheep and some trees up there too, just to blend in. As we come along here now, we've still got a canal. I've got all the rest of the stuff that need to be painted up now, and that should finish that off. I'll put that to bed. As we come along here now, these are some of the trees that we made when we took the dogs for a walk over the back. These are just twigs we find over there, and what we've done, we just tightened these up, glued them on there, put a bit of green when it looked quite realistic instead of buying trees. Because sometimes you buy trees that don't look that great. Well, these are just twigs from over the field and just tied up. They do look quite impressive. Over the back here, my wife's been working really hard on this church. This church has come up with quite a treat now. What she's done, we've got some lights in the windows now, as you see. What she's made out of the glass windows, what she's done, they're just sweet wrappers, just painted up. And we've got a light through there now. And it does look quite impressive. You know, it's just a 3D kit. That was just a white kit. She's painted it up. Done sweet wrappers for the windows and paint them up and put a light in there. We've made next couple of weeks or so we'll be putting the graveyard and putting the wedding scene on there. So something to look forward to. Plus we're going to start building up all the bushes around the back. As you come over in the yard here, I've had a little bit of a change around, put things together now. I put some of these street lights on now around the side. We've got still a little bit more work to be done over this area here. But like I say, it's much better than what it was, so I can now start working on it. So like I say, that was just a quick update, just to let you know what I'm actually up to. I'm hoping to do a few more things this week, so I'm hoping to get another video out soon. So this is Diesel Dave saying take care, and just follow me on my journey. Thank you.